Are you looking for some incredible blackout shades? Well, Joydeco's blackout shades not only will provide you solid blackout curtains, but these also help with energy saving, and because they are such a thick, durable material, they help with noise as well. Let me show you. Now these come in a variety of colors. They are completely machine washable, so these are designed to last. And they have these great grommets on them, so really easy to hang directly onto a curtain rod. Really fun, nice styling there. And you get two panels and can get these in a variety of sizes as well, so definitely get the one that's best for you. This is the beige, and I can't see a thing through it. I'm sure you can't either. It is completely opaque. And it's not too thick, and I love that it's the same color on both sides, so it will look nice on both sides. These grommets aren't going anywhere. The stitching is very clean throughout, so there's no issue there. Really, really nice quality. Even at the bottom, you can see that's very cleanly stitched, and this is the side that you'll see inside your home. Very clean, very soft. And while it's been folded up for a while and does have some wrinkles, I'm confident these are going to come out, as it's already less wrinkly than it was just moments ago when I opened it up. But if it's not coming out, remember that this is machine washable, so you can just wash it and that'll take it all out, or just steam it. I love that this is a very durable fabric, that it's complete blackout, and it's from a company that not only cares about their quality control, but also about how this helps the planet. And I really love that about it. It's a great product all around. So if you're looking for some fantastic blackout curtains, give Joydeco a try.